Moon industrialization does not depend on humans. It depends on robots. Human presence is expensive, fragile, and unnecessary for the majority of industrial work. Robots do not require atmosphere. They do not require sleep. They do not require return tickets. On the Moon, this matters. A robotic workforce can operate continuously, 24 hours a day in radiation, in vacuum, in extreme temperature swings. This immediately changes cost structures. On Earth, labor is the dominant cost. On the Moon, capital replaces labor. Once a robot is deployed, its operating cost approaches zero. Energy powers it, maintenance sustains it, replication expands it. This is the core advantage. A single robotic unit can excavate regolith, separate materials, transport ore, and feed automated processing systems. No wages, no rotation schedules, no geopolitical labor risk. Robotics also enables precision. Lunar mining does not require brute force. It requires selective extraction, rare earth elements, titanium, aluminum. Helium-3 robots can be tuned to target specific materials, minimizing waste and maximizing yield per hectare. This increases profitability. It also reduces environmental disruption, a factor irrelevant on the Moon, but critical when comparing lunar mining to Earth-based extraction. Human roles still exist, but they are supervisory engineers, systems operators maintenance specialists. A small human presence can manage thousands of robotic units remotely. This is how scale is achieved. Moon industrialization succeeds not because robots exist, but because they outperform humans in every relevant dimension for space industry. This is not science fiction. This is industrial logic.